yeah. Oh man, that swung way over. Casterman Classic. Oh, that sounds good, don't it? Oh, yeah. It's nice and pitchy. Sticks nice. Butt piece. Oh, yeah. This one's got some nice knots in it. Nice flick. Split. Knot right down the center. That is nice wood. It's been a while since I cut a Doug fir, huh? Been cutting all that balsam. It's nice to dig into a big old nice chunk of Doug fir. That saw is ripping. It is ripping. Running so much better with that carburetor swap. It's nice. Noise. gosh, that's nice wood. Oh yeah, Casterman. We're getting some fur pitch on her today, buddy. Maybe one of these little slabs here. What a beautiful day. So quiet up here. Not sure if I'm going to get 2 more full ricks. A little bit of tricky stacking here. See what we can come up with. That actually works nice, Casterman. In this harder dug fur, I feel a little bit of shock. I feel some shock in that shorter, more rigid handle. It sure swings nice though. Tough. Let's try this little Jersey. Like 3.5 pound, 28-inch C Whiskey River. Works pretty nice. Works pretty nice. That's a nice piece of firewood. Should have cut myself a shorter chopping block, huh? Look at that pitch. Oh. couple more sticks of firewood for the winter. I'm pretty sure we can get a couple more on there. Just split them up. Oh yeah. Oh, buddy. One there. One there. Now, oh yeah. I'm going to try to split this pitch seam. Oh. There we go. There's a little bit of it. It's a tougher one. Oh, she's loaded. Yep, and just like my grandfather, my Grandpa Jack, old Cactus Jack, just like he used to say, just like that there. Nice axes for the job. Beautiful saws. Go check out John Bob Millwright. Aaron A. Lynch. Casterman 2. So many great channels to go watch and support and help get feedback from. Charlie Briscoe, Charles Briscoe is what his YouTube channel is called. Builds a dandy saw, and in no way, shape, or form, just because those two saws are the same size, in no way, shape, or form is that any kind of competition or this versus that or what. No, it's none of that. It's none of that. It's TazMan coming out to cut firewood and bringing two dependable chainsaws with him. Not that I don't have more at home, but those two are the ones that I chose to run today. One reason, couple reasons. The Taz XP has a different muffler on it. You've seen it, you've heard it run a couple times with that muffler. Made a good difference. It pulls good. Doesn't lose power in the cut. And also the carburetor on that chainsaw is different. After 2 years, I know it's 2 years that I've had that saw, since I've gotten that saw from John Bob Millwright and Aaron A. Lynch. 2 years. And that's all that has been an issue at all with it. And it's basically all Farmer Tech, right? And I've run it quite a bit on the channel. I think John Bob and I were talking, and I think we think that I've run that saw more than any other saw as a total than any of my other saws. So it's good testament to their builds. As far as I'm concerned, it's great for what I do. I can't speak to what it would do out on a logging job, logging every day, day in, day out, day in, day out. I don't know what it would do because I'm not doing that, right? So I can't say, oh, this or that about, no. What I can say is for cutting firewood, my style, what I do right here, that saw is primo. Charlie Briscoe, that saw is awesome. And the reason I brought that today was to try out that new muffler design. Seems to work pretty good, huh? Pulls, works well, keep your chain sharp, and your saws will run much better. Much more efficient, and much better, and much more fun. Right? Right. Another thing was the chain on the Taz XP. I wanted to try that. It's a 7-tooth. I haven't tried it yet with an 8-tooth. It's going to be faster with an 8-tooth, just like the 500i was, because it's got enough power to pull that extra chain speed. Yeah, thumbs up on that too, double, right? That, I'm super happy about that stump. I was gonna leave a Dutchman, but then I thought, nope, I'm not doing it. I'm gonna try to do this with no Dutchman. And you saw how far. I know the camera doesn't do it justice of how far that tree swung around against its primary lean that was like this. And we swung it this way. Because it leaned this way, and you saw the wedges. It leaned this way and that way. And it went that way. Came this way and that way. Like I said, the camera doesn't do it justice. I just hope that it turns out that where you can see it on the GoPro when I showed it leaning up the hill, and from the shot from the pickup on the phone of it coming this side of that dead top tree, just like we wanted it to. Perfect. Thanks everybody. I'm done rambling. Thanks everybody for hanging out with me in the woods on the road trip. I love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Never let anybody give you the idea that you can't do something. Okay? You can do anything you want to do. Do it your way. Do it the way that makes you feel good and that makes you happy and not struggle. Yeah. Thanks, Phenom. Thanks, Healed Heart. Thanks, Justin Weaver. Thanks, Johnny Arnett, Casterman, John Bob, Jake Mesa, Aaron A. Lynch, the Aaron A. Lynch. One of these days that tree will be dead and we'll cut it. Yeah. Stay tuned. What a pair. Hoo-hoo. Pair o' dandies. Another pair o' dandies.